Hello and welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. Gold prices might seem to be taking a breather below $3,700 an ounce, but the yellow metal is right on track for its fifth consecutive weekly rise as US Federal Reserve lowered interest rate earlier this week in a widely expected move. Now, US gold futures on December has largely steadied close to $3680 an ounce. Yellow metal fell 1.3% in the previous two sessions as the dollar rebounded from over 3-year lows after US Fed Chair Jerome Powell struck a cautious tone regarding the future easing. US dollar index traded higher, slightly above 97 mark, which has capped the gains in yellow metal today. Bank of Japan meanwhile held interest rates steady at 0.5% on Friday amid political uncertainty and US tariff challenges. Oil prices are also largely unchanged on Friday after settling lower in the previous trading session, the day after US Federal Reserve cut interest rate for the first time this year due to worries about fuel demand in the United States. With this, Brent crude prices have steadied near $67.5 a barrel. In fact, WTI crude also is hovering very close to $63.5 a barrel. Now, both the benchmarks are right on track to end higher for the second straight week. We have seen that US distillate stockpiles have risen in the previous week by nearly 40 lakh barrels against the expectations of a gain of nearly 10 lakh barrels. This has raised worries about US demand. Copper prices rebounded on Friday from 1 week low in the prior session, supported by improving demand in China as lower prices encouraged the buyers to return back to the market to restock before the upcoming 1 week long holiday. Copper on LME has edged up to trade very close to $10,000 a ton mark. Investors now await cues from a Friday call between US President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping. Iron ore prices have advanced on Friday. They are set to end the week on a higher note, buoyed by strengthening steel demand and pre-holiday restocking in China. We have seen on Dalian Commodity Exchange in China, iron ore prices have surged past 800 yuans a metric ton, and it's up nearly 1.4% so far this week. Raw sugar prices on ICE exchange have fallen to 4.5-year lows, with the commodity slipping below 15.5 cents a pound. We have seen that the raw sugar settled close to 15.38 cents a pound. Brazil Sugar Industry Group Unica covering the second half of August showed mills in center-south Brazil continue to favor using cane to produce sugar rather than ethanol. We have seen even white sugar prices fell in international market close to $455 a metric ton, and this is also hovering near its 4-year lows.